Hi, my name is Hannah Chan and I'm here at Furman Engaged. I will be presenting my senior art show about my great-grandmother who escaped from North Korea. I turned her story into a short film and I'm really excited to see what everyone else has today.
Hello everyone, this is Anish Bora. I'm a senior art major from India. Every year during Furman Engaged, art majors submit their senior thesis, and this is mine. Usually we have a presentation in the morning and then we have our gallery opening at the night where we have food and drinks and our family and friends come. The capital R, and I've incorporated this R part in this, and you can see the yellow is the Hindi part, the blue is the English, and the red is my font, which I call demiglyph. So demi meaning half and glyph meaning pictograph, so it's a combination of two, demiglyph.
As a part of Furman Engaged, FUISA is involved in the International Food Festival. We try to bring as many different kinds of food cuisines, and then it's for free and for every student to walk in.
We have food from about 10 different countries. We have Indian food, Jamaican food, Vietnamese food, Chinese food, Korean food, Japanese food, food from South America, Mediterranean food, German food, and Italian food. Yes, I think I got them all.
So the food we got is actually all from the local restaurant at Greenville, and the owner of those restaurants are native to their countries.
Food is such an important part of any culture, so it's kind of like we're introducing people about your culture to different kinds of food.
Definitely helps us feel closer to home because we get to taste our country's food. Like we have saffron for the Indian food today, and I'm from India. So it always makes me feel good when I go grab a plate of Indian food. Obviously a huge hit. We get a huge turnout. It's one of our biggest events of the whole year.
Hello, my name is Hayden Cox. I'm an English major in my senior year. This presentation that I'll be doing in a moment is on Appalachian literature and how health kind of coalesces between all the works that we read in our senior seminar this year. There's a constant theme of a lack of health infrastructure, and that seems to be taken for granted by both the characters involved in the stories as well as the secondary source authors that are associated with these works. These characters often struggle to reach proper health care, and that is backed up by research in not just the literature. Many people living in Appalachian regions do not have the same access to health care that most other people do. So that's what I'll be discussing today and how that links towards the literature that we read for our senior seminar.
Hey, my name is Lizzie Coyle. I'm a senior English major. I think Furman Engaged is one of my favorite days of the year just because it's really cool to present what I've been working on throughout the year and also see what my peers have been working on. As an English major, we take senior seminars, and so I was in the fall class and we focus on Appalachian literature. I focus specifically on one of the books that we read and kind of how this novel dealt with familial relationships. I'm excited to be able to kind of revisit that work and share it with people who are really interested in it. And I've gotten a chance to go to other talks throughout the day and more English talks, and just it's been a really cool day and I'm learning a lot.
I'm Tyrese Bird and I'm a vocal performance major in the music department, but my research is on Zora Neale Hurston for my African American drama class in the English department.
Hi, I'm Sanan Williams. I'm a senior public health major, and this summer I conducted research in the health science department with Dr. Shanice Chris, and we evaluated the communication effectiveness of Louisville Greenville and its coalition members.
Dakota Howard, I'm a biology and computer science major. This is on modeling the effects of noise propagation. So it's about how soundscapes and health is affected by noise pollution.